Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So we are solving the long questions from the parabola from the exercise 3a, right? From the first exercise, your third topic is parabola, that's why it is 3a. So now come to the question, just like our previous problem type, but there it is x minus h whole square form, right? Now if you observe the equation, first question, see the question, find the vertex, focus, equation of directrix, equation of axis of this equation, parabola equation. So first write down what is the given equation to you. Generally we will write first what is the information given to us, isn't it? Plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. In previous problem, I said question contains x square and x and y, then it should be in the form of x minus h whole square is equal to some value into y minus k. Now if you observe, y square term is there, y term is there, x term is there. So y square term is there, y term is there, x term is there, means it must be in the form of y minus k whole square is equal to some value into x minus h form. Okay, so just by observing the problem you should know, and you have to convert the problem into that form. So come on, how we can write? We will write y square, and that means y terms one side and sending the remaining terms that side, minus x will be x and minus 5. Okay, so now with this we have to get y minus k whole square form. So how we will get it? So y square, so y minus something or whole square, right? Or y plus, we can write plus as again minus of minus, it becomes plus only. So whole square means y square should be there, so plus is there, so you will have plus 2 into y into some value plus some value whole square. So 2 into y into something we have to find. So how we will find? By seeing this value. It is 4y, we have taken 2y, so we can balance it with the 2 by multiplying 2. So now it is of the form 2y into 2. Okay, so something is 2, so it should be added, right? Squaring, we need 2 square, so we cannot take 2 square directly, it should be added and subtracted, right? So is equal to x minus 5. Okay, so from here to here, if you observe, it is your formula form, isn't it? So y plus 2y square plus 2y into 2 plus 2 square is equal to, sending this value that side, x minus y plus 2 square is 4. So this is nothing but y plus 2 whole square, isn't it? Y square plus 2y into something plus something square, y plus something whole square is equal to x minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So it should be in the form of all our formulas, y minus k whole square is equal to something into x minus h. This is no problem, it is x minus h form, but this is y plus something, but we want y minus k whole square. So we can write this plus as minus of minus. Can we write? Definitely we can write. So now your problem is, your question is purely into your form, right? Which form? Sixth form. What is that? Y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Okay, y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Compare as it is, then you will know your k value, k is equal to minus 2, and 4a here we can write as 1. So and h value, after taking k, h value we will take in h place, we are having 1, and in 4a place we are having 1. So what is your a? A is equal to, this is implies, right? A is equal to 1 by 4. Once we got k, h, a, we will write all our required values by seeing the formulas, right? So already I said to you, you have to by heart all the formulas. When curve is of this form, what is the formula for vertex, what is the formula for focus, like that we have taken, right? So come on, now we can take first is vertex, right? So vertex is equal to, what is vertex? It is denoted by capital letter A and its formula is H comma K. So is equal to 1 comma minus 2, right? Next you take focus, right? So focus is denoted by S. S is equal to, what is the formula? This formula contains H plus A comma K, right? Whenever y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h, its focus formula is S is equal to H plus a comma k. So you know your H value 1 minus, right? Minus or plus, a value is 1 by 4, right? And k, what is your k value? K is minus value, isn't it? It is minus 2. Okay, so is equal to, taking the LCM, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 5 by 4 minus 2. That is your focus, right? Next you take equation of, what is that? Axis and equation of directrix. So equation of directrix we have to find. Directrix. So what I said, whenever our curve, our problem, our question is in this form, y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h, you to write the directrix equation, you see the right side value x minus h. If it is positive, plus a. If it is negative, minus a. So what is directrix equation? It is x minus h plus a is equal to 0. If this value is positive, plus a. If this value is negative, we have to take minus a. Like that we can remember that formula, right? So is equal to x minus, what is your h value? 1 plus a value. What is your a value? It is 1 by 4, right? So come on, taking the LCM as 4, it is 4x minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0, is equal to, sending 4 that side, it is 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, next you take equation of axis. So what I said, equation of axis is, whenever the curve equation is like this, right? So see the left side value, right? Y minus k whole square means y minus k will be the axis of the parabola. So y minus k is equal to 0, implies y minus k, what is your k value? Minus 2, right? Is equal to 0, implies minus of minus plus, so y plus 2 is equal to 0. So simple, no? So for this you are going to get 7 marks. So only thing is, you should observe the given question, right? Y square term is there, y term is there, x term is there, means it should come in the form of y minus k whole square is equal to some value into x minus h form, right? So for that sake, you take all the y terms one side and send the x and constant the other side and try to get in your form y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. This is a sixth form. In the list totally you got 8 various forms of parabola equations. In that, this one is the sixth one. Okay, so in this sixth one, when you got this one, just compare and find out your k value, h value, a value. Once we got these 3 values, we can easily write the required values. What are the required values? Vertex, focus, equation of directrix and equation of axis. Okay, so now come to the second question. So actually first question is 7 marks question and second question, so it is a 2 marks question. find only axis and directrix are given. All the 4 are asked, it will be for 7 marks. Any 1 or 2 questions are asked, that means any 1 or 2 things, 2 particular values are asked, it belongs to 2 marks question. So find the axis and directrix of this one. So y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Same thing, y square term, y term, x term means y minus k whole square is equal to something into x minus h form. So y square plus 6y is equal to sending these terms the other side. Next we can write this as y square plus 2y into 3. We want 3 square, so 3 square is added and 3 square is subtracted, right? So after that, from here to here, it is y plus 3 whole square, okay, is equal to sending this term that side 2x minus y, 3 3s are 9. Okay, next we can write this as y of minus 3 minus of minus 3 plus can be written as y. It should be in the form of at the end y minus k whole square form. So come on, it is 2x plus 4. So y minus of minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 is taken outside, right? And we can write this as x plus 2. Again that side it should be x minus h form, right? So y minus of minus 3 whole square is equal to 2 into, come on, we can write this as x minus of minus 2. Okay, so which is of the form? Which form? Exactly in the form of y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So your k is equal to minus 3, h is equal to minus 2 and 4a is equal to 2 implies a is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so question is find the axis and the directrix. What I said, axis. So axis is, you know it very well, axis I said if it is of the form y minus k whole square is equal to something, your axis is y minus k. So your axis is y minus of minus 3 is equal to 0. That means y plus 3 is equal to 0. And directrix, what is your directrix is? What I said, we have to see right side value, right? X minus h, if it is positive, plus a. So in that form we are having x minus of minus 2 plus a is 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So come on, is equal to x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. If we take the LCM, it is 2x, 2 to the 4 plus 1, sending to the other side. 0 into anything is 0. So it is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Only axis and directrix are asked for 2 marks question. Okay, so once you know how to convert the problem into any one of those 8 forms, you know all the formulas for those 8 forms. What will be the axis, what will be the your vertex, focus, right? So by applying those formulas you can easily find out the values. Okay, so here we solved 2 questions, right? One is 7 marks question, one is 2 marks question. Okay, so very simple. Whenever equation contain y square term, y term, x term, okay, so try to convert that into y minus k whole square is equal to some value into x minus h. Suppose equation contains x square term, x term, y term, try to convert that into x minus h whole square is equal to something into y minus k. Okay, just by seeing that apply your brain, some common sense, right? Y square is there, y is there means we can write y minus something whole square form. X square is there, x is there means we can write x minus h whole square form. Okay, so don't do it blindly. Okay, so observe the problem and take one form of the 8 methods. Okay, so practice these problems carefully. That's all for today. Have a nice day.